All right, thank you, Cam. We do want to get to some of your headlines this evening. The Madison man accused of shooting his mom's boyfriend is now criminally charged. The shooting happened Tuesday morning on Baird Street. He appeared in court today on felony charges.
Chloe Morrissey has you covered on why the court commissioner says this case is uncommon.
Court documents state 25-year-old Kamari Brown shot his mom's boyfriend in the chest. He's charged with attempted first-degree intentional homicide using a dangerous weapon.
This is not super common. I don't generally see all that many gunshot homicide or attempted homicide cases, at least recently, where the defendant effectively has no prior criminal record.
Monday night, the night before the shooting, the criminal complaint shows Brown's mom told him the victim was upset with him, accusing him of damaging the victim's vehicle. Brown says his mom warned him of a possible threat made by the victim that night. The victim lives a few apartments down, but comes over to the apartment where Brown lives with his mother. The criminal complaint states that when Brown went to his room, he found a steak knife stabbed in his bed. Brown said his mom told him the victim did it. Brown called police Tuesday morning before the shooting happened, asking about a restraining order. He says he felt threatened by the victim. As he was on the phone, he saw the victim coming up to his front door. The complaint says a few seconds after the door opened, Brown shot him in the chest. The bullet went through him. The criminal complaint says Brown ran down train tracks behind his house. Brown told police it wasn't to avoid law enforcement, but to avoid the victim's friends and family that he says live in the area. The last update from police said the victim was in critical condition, though the criminal complaint notes he has a good prognosis. Doctors in the ER said this would have been a life or death situation if not for the officers on scene stepping in right away trying to save him.